Yeah. Maybe John Starcast हमारे साथ इस वक्त विवेक from Talk 100.3. This is such an amazing experience to have Kirti Suresh, to have Varun Dhawan, to have Priya ma'am, to have at least you've entered the Bollywood cinema with a bang, with such a big blockbuster as well. Your experience so far in the Hindi film industry so far?
I think it is too good, too welcoming, and I am happy that I made a film with Shahrukh sir because he's a wonderful person. Through him, I really got the reach, which will take another 5 6 years for anyone to take it. I think he gave it in one film. We both justified the content, so we both have reaping the success out of it. Apart from that, the industry is very welcoming, and it's really appreciating the talent. And I think that's a way it should be. And I'm very happy I'm where I am today. I'm really, really happy.
Priya ma'am, for you as well. It's a debut for you as well, as production, and I'm sure that there were many new things you must have experienced when you collaborated with so many big production powerhouse. So if you could tell us any new experiences that you had that you'd never had before.
I've always seen like Atlee working, but it's always been on the directorial side. So it was our first production, and it was very new to me as well. So I learned a lot of things from Murad sir, because he is the one who stood on this project, and it all happened because of him. He's the backbone of the project. So like I didn't know like a lot of films, I mean a lot of things about film and distribution and like day to day production expense and stuff. So a lot of things that I learned. It's not like one or two. And I think even Atlee learned a lot of things. So it was just a learning process for both of us.
And Varun, how was it being among everyone who could speak one common language, and probably you had to learn a little bit?
There's one common language, and that's love. And I think we all spoke it. And 4 days are left for the film. So now I'm just thinking about the release. I'm not even here. Physically, I'm here. Mentally, I'm somewhere else. It's very close now to the release. So I think we are all over there. And we're actually preparing Dubai for Global Village tonight.
Right.
Very excited to be there. I've never gone there.
Amazing.
Yeah? Yeah?
It's a very
Kam
nice.
se kam 15 to
It's
20,000.
amazing. I love Global Village. And the only problem is if you get in, you just don't feel like coming out. You'll get to experience different cultures. It's divided into different countries,
countries,
and
and
what
yeah.
is famous from there, be it the food or be it.
The
I'm
rides.
talking like I live in Dubai. Of course, I like one pasta over there, like one truffle pasta over there. I'm waiting to have that. And all that Turkish ice cream also. Jaan khelte hain na? I love that. Yeah.
And yes, Kirti, I mean, you must be extremely happy. And what do you think this film will do for you in the future as well?
I'm very very happy. I can't even explain the gratitude that I have towards this team. And what this film will do, like I think Atlee has been telling that I'm gonna make people cry. I really really hope that I can make them cry because there's a lot of pressure on me now that he's told that. But I think as a character, it's a complete package for me. Like for an actor, when you get to play a lot of emotions, like say be it romance, like getting emotional. बात तो करने दो भाई. Be it romance, getting emotional, and just cut my flow in between. Okay, I like it's a proper package, the character, and I'm also feeling very very happy for Varun because we've not seen Varun like this before. It's a completely different avatar, and he's aced it. And when I was watching the trailer here when we came in, I had goosebumps. So I'm extremely extremely happy for him and happy for the entire team.
You know what was really what was really amazing to see the bond that you guys have. It is phenomenal, and I hope this continues for a long time ahead as well. But quickly, Atlee sir के साथ एक rapid fire खेलना है.
करो यार भाई.
Yeah? So I'm going to ask you, give three three questions only, three dialogues. You have to complete it, and you can take the help of
Ah,
very iconic dialogues. हम जहाँ खड़े होते हैं. You have to complete it.
हम कहा जह
Where I stand.
You have to
where I
complete it.
stand.
fill in the blanks madri.
हम जहाँ खड़े होते हैं
हम जहाँ
लाइन
खड़े
वहीं से शुरू हो जाता है. Where I stand, the line starts from there.
No, what I have to say.
हम जहाँ खड़े होते हैं
have to complete the
लाइन वहाँ से खड़े हो.
हम जहाँ खड़े होते हैं ना நம்ம எங்க
அவங்க
நிக்கிறோமோ
பாதி டயலாக் சொல்லுவாங்க நீ மீதி பாதி கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணணும்
Ah, okay. What is the rest?
हम जहाँ खड़े होते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू हो जाती है.
Line वही से शुरू होता है.
Ja Simran Ja.
शाहरुख सर.
इधर
जा सिमरन जा.
दिल वाले
जी अपनी जिंदगी.
DDLJ
जी अपनी जिंदगी.
Dawn को पकड़ना.
और जाए सर के लाइन जिसके.
डॉन को पकड़ना
डॉन को पकड़ना
मुश्किल है नामुमकिन
मुश्किल नहीं.
डॉन को पकड़ना
दान को पकड़ना मुश्किल नहीं.
नामुमकिन
नामुमकिन.
नामुमकिन है
नामुमकिन है.
Brilliant. Thank you guys. You're such a
yeah.
amazing, personalities. Really wish you all the best.
Thank
and
you,
Dil
brother.
say, let's hope the movie does really well.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.